Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my sister's hair. I'm gonna be doing a wig. I already started braiding her hair, so I'm just gonna be doing a little, you know, tutorial of how we do hair in the black home. So watch me as I do her hair. I'm gonna be explaining everything in voiceover. Hi everybody. Period. About to down me up, you know. Yes, darling. Hey guys, so I started braiding her hair already. It's pretty simple. You just want to start cornering the hair. I tried to show you guys how I like to cornrow hair under wigs because I find this way a lot simpler and it's really good when you're trying to take care of your hair. So what I'm doing today is just an everyday wig that you can wear to work. And yeah, so I'm just showing you how I'm just cornering the hair horizontally on her scalp. So guys, I'm oiling her scalp as I go because you know we gotta keep that moisture. I'm using an Indian hemp oil, and I think it has like jojoba and just green tea leaves and all this really good stuff. And I'm showing you also how I like to corner the hair. So I take it in 3 pieces here, and then as you would do a regular braid, you just do it down in a corner. So this is just a mini tutorial, nothing in depth, but but I'm not like a pro or anything, but you know, just showing you guys how you really do cornrows, how you start them so that they're really neat and just evenly distribute the hair. So yeah, I'm just doing both sides at the front the same, and I'm leaving, as you see, the middle part open so that you're able to get that really flat lay under the wig. Yeah guys, just braid it out, and I show you also how you braid it down on the sides. In this way you don't have to sew any hair, so you can just braid it back, and that way you can just slip it under a wig cap. You don't have to put any string on your hair, any thread, and this makes it a lot easier when you are ready for your wash days. At the back I just leave the bottom separate, and as you see I carry the braid all throughout the side down so that, as I said, it fits evenly under the wig cap. Now I'm taking the wig and I'm gonna start the bleaching process to bleach the knots. So I just lay it out flat. I start mixing up my bleach with the processor. So I'm using the 30 volume. Yeah, so I just lay that out. You just want to make sure that the consistency of the bleach isn't too runny and not too thick, because you want it to actually process, and you just want to take your time. The key is to take your time and really get it on every side, every crevice, and just make sure that it's also seeping in just enough to start bleaching those knots, guys. And you just want to leave it to rest for about 15 to 20 minutes, and you can start rinsing it off after 15 to 20 minutes. I almost dropped it there. Yeah, so you can start rinsing it off. You want to make sure that you put that shampoo right at the back of that lace. Scrub it down, girl. Get out all that bleach. You don't want the hair to process. After you've washed it, do a double shampoo, a double rinse. Get all that bleach out. After we have finished washing the hair, you just want to blow dry it and start plucking the front. I'm showing you how I like to pin back the hair and how much hair I take out in order to pluck. And then after we've plucked the hair, we want to start cutting the lace. So I cut it right to the hairline, and I cut it in a jagged motion just so that if she ever decides to lay down the hair with glue or got to be glued gel, that it will blend right evenly into on her skin with the lace. For the everyday look, I don't actually use any gel. I just part it in the middle because it's just an everyday wig you want to throw on. So the point of this wig is just to part it in the middle, just so that it's easy to throw on every day. Here you can see I'm cutting the baby hair. Later on I will gel it down. If you want to see a video on how I do that, I'll show you. Here I'm just cutting the front because you want to make sure it looks natural as possible. So I layered the front just so it fits her face. Plucked it a little bit again. I did her eyebrows as well, guys. She loves this and she can wear this to work. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.
Story of my life, ordinary person just like you. If you take a look inside, you see the great things that people do. We're out here changing lives day and night, day